everyone. I just got home from work. We're about to head out again soon. Today we are venturing out to Long Island to see Avril Lavigne. This is her throwback concert, so she's gonna perform all of her greatest hits, so I'm super excited. It will definitely bring me back to elementary school and like early middle school. And I think Simple Plan is also opening for her, which I'm also really excited about. I never really thought that I would get to see either of them live, since I feel like they're already out of the mainstream picture. This concert's gonna be at an outdoors venue in Long Island. Rather than calling a car, we decided to rent a car. We're gonna meet up with them now and drive over. Hello. Andrew, what Avril song are you most excited to hear?
Skater Boy.
We just got in.
I'm sorry if that makes you feel old. It's okay. We're all in this together.
Hey everyone, I just got home from work. Evan is having drinks and dinner with his friends tonight. I ordered a huge order from We this past weekend, and I got a bunch of vegetables including Taiwanese cabbage and some Chinese loofah, 丝瓜. Every time I buy 丝瓜 from We, they always send 3 or 4. It's already been like 3 days since we got them, so I want to cook it today. And 丝瓜 is also one of my favorite vegetables. Oh, I can already smell it. It smells so good. Like once you cook it and it releases water, the broth that it's in also is so good and it goes so well with rice. My friend got me this cutting board and I love it so much. It's so thick. Cut the top off. Alright, love me some garlic. I love the sound of gas stove. It's so satisfying. I think we are about done. Look, such a huge bowl of 丝瓜. I'm so excited. Taste test. Oh my god, that's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna go eat now. We're in Manhattan today. We are going to a Japanese place called Okonomi. It's like a Japanese restaurant that does Japanese breakfast sets, and they do ramen at night. I've been to their Brooklyn location. It's like a very cute, small place, but they recently opened a pop-up in Manhattan, actually really close to my old place. So we're walking there right now. We're here. That was really good, but I don't think that was the most filling meal. But I think that's typical with Japanese meals because they try not to get super full. Not the kind of concept that I want to live by. Now we're walking towards an area that has like a lot of plant stores because yesterday Evan's coworker friends came over for like a mini housewarming party. One of his friends gave us a vodka bottle, but the vodka bottle says super gay and the graphic was really cute, so we kept it and we want to get some flowers to put in it. Never mind, it was all women's items. These are all faux flowers. This is harder than I imagined. Most of the stores, they're all just plants, so we're trying to find florals. 是真花的味道. I think it's better to just get some from the store, like from one of the corner stores near our place. Just got back with the flowers. Now we need to trim them to fit into this bottle. Isn't it cute? Wow. Hey everyone, I just got off work. I am headed to dinner with a friend. We're going to a new Thai restaurant. It's close to where I used to live. I feel like I keep going to restaurants in that area after I moved. Cheers. This drink is so good. It's pretty much just Thai tea and whiskey. Hey everyone. So it's September, New York Fashion Week is here and Evan was invited to a fashion show and so I'm getting ready. I have no idea what to wear to a fashion show. But yeah, I don't know if it's like too casual or anything. Over here. We just got moved to the front row per the designer's request.
We're good.
Just finished. There's like a Japanese clothing store near here that I've saved for a while, so we're gonna stop by. Actually, I just realized there's a Tim Ho Wan around here in Hell's Kitchen, so we're actually gonna go eat first because we're hungry. This char siu bao is so good. So that was my first time getting Tim Ho Wan at this location. I don't think it's as good as the one near NYU. That one is much better. So if you're in New York and you want Tim Ho Wan, I would recommend the downtown location. But yeah, now we're walking to the Japanese store. I like their clothes. Hey everyone, I just got off work and I came to Soho to a print shop. Just picked up a print that I bought from Etsy. Now I'm going to head to a haircut appointment in K-Town. I feel like my hair length is okay casually. Like I feel like this length is not too long at all, but every time I dress up for work, I feel like my hair is too long. So I feel like I'm constantly struggling between my work look and like who I am outside of work.
Right? And then when you're moving, it's gonna get separated.
Yeah.
Right?
Hey everyone. Hey everyone. We're back in Times Square area. We're going to a Broadway show tonight. The show that we're gonna see today is Back to the Future musical. Back to the Future is like one of the most classic trilogies in Hollywood history, I feel like. And he's never even seen it before, so I made him watch the first two. I think this musical is just based on the first movie, but we'll see. I'm really excited to see how they recreate the movie on stage and how they like do the time machine, the car and everything. So let's go. Hey everyone, today is Saturday. We have a whole day ahead of us. It's Mid-Autumn Festival soon, so today we have a little get together tonight. I ordered a Lady M mooncake gift set, which looks really pretty in their marketing materials, but I'm not sure how good the actual mooncakes are. My favorite kind is a lotus paste with the egg yolk, like the most traditional kind. I think the Lady M mooncakes are mostly like sesame, custard, and some other things, but it's like a really pretty package, so I just wanted to get that and bring it to the gathering. So we're gonna go to the Lady M near Bryant Park first, and then we're gonna go to Soho. There's a pop-up there today that my friend from Austin wants me to go check it out, so I'm meeting up with another friend who just moved here from Austin. We're gonna meet up there and FaceTime our mutual friend there together and just see if my friend actually wants to get anything. So yeah, full day ahead. Let's go. We're gonna walk through Bryant Park now.
Just no clue where we're going.
Shut up. To go to Lady M. So it comes in kind of like a lantern form. You can hold it like this. Isn't it cute? 然后就要这样拿进去。
Spam musubi.
Wow. We didn't eat lunch today, so we're a little peckish from all the walking. So we stopped by this cute corner in Soho that's selling onigiri. So we're just sitting here chilling, having some food.
Something like that.
day in Soho is done. Now we're headed to our Mid-Autumn Festival potluck.
后面有兔子。对啊。中秋快乐。
Hello.
Milk tea. Milk tea. 果汁牛奶。果汁牛奶。Yeah. That was milk tea. 这是灯笼。